Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Kiki's Corner. So today we're going to continue with part 2 of the Arabic alphabet. But what was the first part? Can you remember? Oh, I remember. I know. Me. Okay, Ali, can you remember the first half of the Arabic alphabet? Okay, what was it? Alif, ba, ta, ta, ji, ha, ha. Alif, ba, ta, ta, ji, ha, ha. Very good, Ali. That's so good. Together. Alif, ba, ta, ta, ji, ha, ha. Alif, ba, ta, ta, ji, ha, ha. Alif, ba, ta, ta, ji, ha, ha. Well done! Okay, let's go and look for the rest of the Arabic alphabet letters. Let's go! Last time, I went looking for the Arabic alphabet by myself. I need help. I'm lonely. Can you come with me? Yes. Wait, we're missing somebody. I know. Ali, come here. Peekaboo. Oh, Ali, that was silly. Okay? Yeah, I'm fine. That was fun. Don't do that at home, kids. Yeah, don't do that. That's only for me. Okay, so you're gonna help me look for the rest of the Arabic alphabet letters? Yeah, this seems like fun. I was really annoyed last time when you went without me, but I'm really glad I get to come this time. Yay, okay. Right, let's go. Wow, it's such a beautiful day today. Yeah, it is, isn't it, Ali? Oh, look, Saad over there. I think you found the letter, Ali. What could it be? I think I know what it is. I know that letter. That's Dal and Dhal. They're hanging out there together. Hi, Dal and Dhal. Dal. Wow. Wow, let's put it together. Alif, ba, ta, ta, ji, ha, ha. Dal. This sounding good, right? Yeah, it sounded awesome, girl. Habibi. Hola. Where did you learn that? I went to Dubai, Habibi. Oh my goodness, you're so lucky. Dubai is beautiful. Okay, let's see if we can continue and find more Arabic letters. Let's go. There's a lion! No, Miss Kiki. He's saying the letter rar. Rar. Oh, he's telling us a letter from the Arabic alphabet. Ra. I see. Ra. Oh, I get it now. Well done, Mr. Lion. You're so silly. You were so scared. Hey, you were scared too. Yeah. I was. Okay, let's go. Thank you, Mr. Lion. Bye. Oh, there's the next one. Zay or za. 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 Can you say it? Za. Ra. Ra. The ra sound, kind of like a lion, but don't forget, it's an Arabic letter. Let's pretend. Ra. 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 Za. Raza. Raza. Very. You're so silly, Ali. I like being a lion. Lions are cool. Rawr. Yes, lions are cool, but we are learning the Arabic alphabet today. Let's get going. Wow, look, Ali. It's the sea. The sea. Wow, the ocean. Yeah, the sea. There's lots of fish in there. Yes, there's lots of fish. But we need a boat. See a boat anywhere? Wow, look! It's the letter Sheen. Sheen. And Sheen. Sheen. They're easy to spot because they look like boats. Oh yeah, they kind of do look like boats. That one looks like it has a sail. Yeah, it does. We know when it's Sheen and Sheen because Sheen has the 3 dots. It has the dots here. And it kind of looks like a boat sailing around. Should we get inside? Yeah, let's get inside. Okay, you ready? Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Okay. You know, Alif, this reminds me of a song. Oh, really? It was a rainy day when I went to sea. Oh, ready? You want to hear it? Do you want to hear it at home? Yeah, we want to hear it. It was a rainy day when I went to play down by the sea. I boarded on a pirate ship and the captain said to me, we're going this way, that way, forward, backward, up and down, over the great blue sea. I'm so glad you're here.
Yeah,
Me too.
both
I'm so glad you're here. Oh, I was so scared on the pirate ship. Wow, Ali, I'm so pleased we made it off the sea and the Sheen shipwrecks. I'm so glad that we're back safe on land. Let's continue to look for the Arabic alphabet letters. Let's go. I'm so glad to walk. Me too. I'm really, really seasick. Come on, let's go. Oh, I tripped over something. It was an Arabic letter. What is it? It was the letter Saad. Saad. And look, there's Daad. Daad. They look very similar, but only a dot kind of like makes them look different. Saad. Daad. Daad. Sheen. 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 We gotta do this. Sheen. Sheen. Like shh. Shh. Sheen. 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 Saad. Daad. Well done, mashallah. You're so good, mashallah. Oh, I need to sit down for a rest. Looking for all these Arabic letters is really, really tiring. Let's sit down and have a rest. Yeah. Can you remember? What did we learn so far? It was Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Sheen, Ha, Ha.
Dal, Dhal, Ra, Zai, Sin, Shin, Saad, Daad.
Well done. And
Saad, Daad.
well done. Excellent. Very good, everyone. Good job. Well done. Okay, that is the end of today's part 2 video. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we are a brand new channel and it helps our channel grow. It helps our channel grow. See you in the next video. Wa alaikum salam. Wa alaikum salam.